This is Kim's dog, who's never felt what they call this, micro sway. He's never felt micro sway before, and he's like feeling this joint. Like, it's just so good to him. Yes. Stretch out. Get it good.
No, but I wish we had got when he stretched out, like, and laid forward.
And we're gonna call this the You better fall. If you fall, it's gonna be on. The exorcism of the micro sway dog. Come out, Satan! Satan, come out! Come out! Ooh.
Puppy, what are you doing?
Are you saved now? Snowball, are you saved? Does Christ reign, rule, and abide in you now? I want to see you go crazy again.
I'd like you to meet Philippe Monday, famed French.
Yeah, I get it. I wish I had some Holy Ghost music. You ain't giving me sexy, are you, Snowball? Don't give him sexy. That's too much, Snowball. That's too much. Too much for the world.
You speak French now too?
Un petit peu. Oh, Philippe, I have to show you my map.
I will love your maps. Mr. Francis, I know this is upsetting, but understand
You done now?
I'm homosexual, yes?
Hello. You done?
Yes. So you'll be losing your weight not physically, but
Okay.
perhaps emotionally.